If you've made a payment on YouTube and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before requesting a refund, verify if your purchase is eligible. YouTube typically allows refunds for subscriptions and rentals under certain conditions, such as if the content has not been viewed. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube account using the credentials associated with the payment. This is crucial as you need access to your purchase history to initiate the refund process. Step 3. Access purchase history. Navigate to your account settings and find the Purchases or Purchase History section. Here, you will see a list of your transactions, including the one you want to refund. Step 4. Select the transaction. Locate the specific transaction you wish to refund. Click on it to view more details, and look for the option to request a refund or report an issue with the purchase. Step 5. Follow the refund process. Follow the prompts provided to complete your refund request. You may need to provide a reason for the refund and confirm your request. After a submission, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your refund. By following these steps, you can efficiently request a refund from YouTube. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.